Hi, all the Indian citizens or the people of India. I'm making a small video today on a general topic. Like, there are many issues which are affecting our country, but whatever I will be making in whatever I'll be talking about in today's video or in the future videos, it will be impartial. It is non-political, first of all. So the views of my views will not be based on any political affiliations. It's a general talk about so many things happen all over the world, especially in India. So I'll try to make some videos on those. So first of all, I would like to talk about like my topic for today's video is it will be a small video, food for thought. Okay, food for thought. So I am naming it as food for thought. Just a thinking process. So I'll start with this thing. Like we have different furnitures and different items, utensils and all in our house. Okay. So I was talking about the different items which we have in our house. So it needs space. Okay, if we have a table or a chair or a bed or whatever TV, it needs space to occupy. So space. Okay, I write down here space. So what is needed? What is needed is space. Okay. Then now if we take our whole total house or residential accommodation or commercial, we can say whatever, it is occupying space in our neighborhood, maybe in our society. So first is A will be our all the I can say the household goods. Okay, so they need space, so they occupy our house. Second is the house. Now house is much bigger than whatever our utensils are, so it needs space to occupy, so it is occupying our society. I make my residence in a society, so it is occupying the society space. Land, you can say, or space. So C will be society. Okay. Now the society itself is a parcel of land which occupies a bigger locality area, we can say a locality. So the society is located in a particular area, so that location area, you can say D. So we can say it is a town. Okay, the society occupies a part of some township, we can say. Then many townships or some townships will, if they grow up, they occupy a city. So next will be a city. So similarly, then you will have after EF, maybe it may be the state. Okay. Then bigger than the state will be the country as a whole. Okay. So all these are occupying some space, which is that space is bigger than whatever individual items like I have told you over here. So to continue, I'll rub this and so that I can write more. So from G is country, now similarly many countries make up the world what we live in. We say the earth, our world. So countries will be next one. H will be the world. So world is occupying space bigger than world, we can say our solar system, or we say the constellations also are there. So many things are out there. So the world is a part of the space, what we call space. Okay. Now just I have a talk with my friends or so generally. So I put this question. So what I mean to say is that whatever physical physical utilities are there, they need space to occupy. That is why we want a bigger house also. When our family grows up, maybe from 2 rooms we want 3 rooms because the family has grown. So it needs to be occupying more space. Then it will go on like that endlessly. So the world is a part of the universe. So world will be universe. So the world is occupy a space in the universe. Okay. Then there will be many systems. Now universe again, what do we mean by universe? Universe is the entire space we say. But what I think, like many times it makes me think. So everything, the constellations, the solar system, then we have the different planets, and then the stars are there. So these are out in the space we say. Okay. So these, however big, like we say that the sun is maybe many times bigger than the earth. Then there are many faraway planets which the scientists have discovered, and there are so many they say it is not discovered also because they are out in the space. But if it is a space, that space also should be ending somewhere, no? Because everything is occupying some space which is bigger than it itself. Okay, it is bigger than itself. So how is that the space itself? So everything is coming under space, within the space. We say that everything is occupying some space. And what we say, space is endless. Okay, that is why, because space is endless, it is occupying everything within itself. So whatever is there, we say in our planet or outside planets, discovered on this, everything comes in space. But when all these things are occupying the space, how can it be endless? That is my question. How can space be endless? It also should be ending somewhere like all other utilities. So, how is space endless? How? Now everybody gives the, and nobody has the answer, you including me. But just I'm thinking, out of the box thinking. How can space be endless? Is it that the space itself is occupying something? That's the question, which we don't know, which the scientists don't know. Because the space, what we say, it should also be within something. No? That is how it is. Okay, that is the question. So that was the topic. Food for thought for today. Space. The topic was food for thought, space. Okay. So more in my coming videos, and I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thanks.